the limit. Let's just walk away.
Yeah, I quit. I'm working at the Waffle House.
One steering wheel in the middle.
That's how Lamborghinis are.
It's
like a rocket.
It's exactly how they are. Would you give your keys to a man covered in shaving cream? Me neither.
You know what day it is? It's Thursday.
And Thursday means Jen has hooked herself. You got to put the the chocolate chip cookie chips.
I know, I got
back
to put them
on
back
the hook.
on. They fell off or somebody ate them. I'm not sure.
Look, Jen, we got this for you.
Oh, wow, Canada.
Look at that. What are the chances?
Feels very real.
What are the chances?
Thank you.
Are those just all over Canada?
Yeah, they're in places.
Please tell me they are.
Don't answer that. Plead the fifth.
Please tell me they're
yes,
everywhere.
every tree is a maple tree.
Good gracious. Can I have the paper towels? That
You know, if you didn't have a shirt on and you just gotten out of the shower, this on the shoulder, it wouldn't be that big a deal. But of course, I think you might need to shave your shoulders. I hadn't looked at them recently, but you know, when you start getting our age, you start getting little,
I have a patch
little
of
hairs
hair
in weird
right
places.
there.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll shave that off.
Yeah.
It's like, you see it? You can see it growing back?
Yeah. It's like,
It's like a patch.
it's like a gorilla.
Well, it's not like a gorilla. Let's not go too far.
I'm just
It's
saying
just a
that
little-
part of your arm's like a gorilla's
little
arm.
patch of
I mean,
hair.
gorillas are cool,
I'm
man.
sure you
it's my
got-
favorite animal.
I'm sure you got hair in places.
If I could be a gorilla, I would. Got nothing against gorillas.
Enough about me. Where do you shave your hair?
Your neck. I just shave the neck. I don't shave anywhere else.
You don't shave anywhere, like on your arm or anything?
Under my arm?
On your arm, like me, or anywhere.
I don't shave under my arm, man.
I didn't say under your arm. I said on your arm, like me.
I don't shave on my arm. I shave right here and a little bit right here, and then some on the back of the neck. But that's the only place I shave.
That doesn't make you better than me, though, does it?
No, it just makes me a little bit less like a gorilla. But being like a gorilla is
I'm
cool.
offended.
I said that from the beginning. So we're all winners here, man.
I just put myself out there and said, I shave right here, and you're supposed to be like, yeah, I shave my back or something.
Oh, I shave right here on my bicep.
Okay.
That's why there's, well, I can't show it, but there's no hair at all there because I shaved it.
All right.
Okay, Jen.
Great.
You got some questions for us?
Segueing into some questions. Yeah, I have
Excuse
a
me.
few.
It's
I have
just
a few
shaving cream in there.
Yeah. Shaving cream looks weird when it's dry.
Yeah, you ever seen that, huh?
Yeah. I mean, you usually don't leave it on this long.
No, I don't.
No.
Exactly right.
All right, first question is from Christopher Sheeran. He says, how can I make it look like I clean the house without actually cleaning?
That goes against everything I believe in, first of all.
Yikes, Christopher.
Wow. Okay. Well, there's a number of ways to do this.
One of them. Is that what matters? The appearance of clean, not actual clean?
Well, in some
Yeah.
circumstances it does.
Like your parents say, clean your room.
Cleaning sucks.
I've experimented with this.
I love cleaning.
So when your house
Sorry.
is clean, take a picture of the room. Okay? Then
I like where this is going.
I did this with my wife one time. So I took a picture of the room, right? When
Yeah.
it was clean. And then she was gone for the weekend. And then when she got back, I met her on the front steps and I said, hey, baby, I got you this new pair of glasses, sunglasses. Please wear them now and on the inside.
But don't move around.
No. And I said, and it had the picture of the room on the, like just a little, I worked it all out with the perspective. And then she came in and I said, turn to your left. She turned to the left. What she saw was a clean room. Do you think I'm making this up?
No, I believe
I am.
I believe you.
And then,
It sounds very true.
and then when she turned back around, I took them off because it would have made the rest of the house look like the living room.
What I thought you were going to say was...
And then I blamed it on the kids.
There's these home improvement shows where they'll like do a makeover of a house.
They're all fake.
Yeah.
And then...
They're all fake.
No, they're...
And what they'll do is they will print a like house-size banner of their old house, and then they'll
rip it
pull
through.
it. They'll either run through it like a wrestler, or they'll pull it away and reveal the new house.
Right.
So the people are sitting there looking at their old house. You just do the opposite for every room. Turn to your left, and
Oh,
then
so
there's
it's
like
just a banner.
It's a banner.
Yeah.
A floor-to-ceiling banner.
That's
of
even better than
a
my
clean
idea.
room. And it's like, don't run into that room.
Don't go into the room.
Don't go into the room. It's clean.
Yeah. Just look at the room.
Let's just look at
Just
it.
stand in the hall and
Yeah.
open up the doors.
Yeah.
That's really
legitimate.
But it's
Yeah.
probably
Right.
more work to get that banner printed and hung
Than
than
to
it is just to
clean.
clean up.
But
don't
it's
think
someone,
about
it's
that.
someone else's work.
There's a person that does that. Cleanbanners.com.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Cleanhousebanners.com.
Or just shove it all in
Clean
the
room
closet.
banners.
Shove it all in a closet.
That's what I
Cleanroombanners.org.
used to do, yeah.
It's a
Under my
nonprofit.
bed.
Shove it all under your bed.
Yeah.
All
Your bed starts
proceeds go to
teetering.
help horses, miniature horses at that sanctuary.
What? Excuse me?
Ask us another.
Okay.
Cleanrooms.org. Cleanroombanners.org.
Nikki Cobbler White asks, how do I
Cobbler?
avoid... Yeah, Cobbler.
Cobbler White.
It's a great name.
Never had a white cobbler.
How do I avoid cleaning for as long as possible without
Like a
anyone
mayonnaise
noticing?
Like a cobbler with mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise cobbler.
Ew.
That sounds incredible.
White cobbler.
I made y'all a mayonnaise cobbler.
I bet it would be
Paula
good.
Dean probably has that on her website.
Ew. A mayonnaise?
mayonnaise
mayonnaise
cobbler.
cobbler is all the rage in my restaurant in
Let's
Charleston.
do it.
Nope. Do you want me to repeat the question?
How do I avoid cleaning for as long as possible without anyone noticing? Well,
Eat a mayonnaise cobbler and everybody forgets about everything. People forget what they're doing.
So I think she means like while other people are like cleaning up and you're just like, I don't want to help. Like maybe
How to
doing the
appear that you're
dish.
cleaning?
Avoid it for as long as possible without anyone noticing.
Run,
So,
get up a lot.
Yeah.
You just move a lot. That's how you help people move too. You just got to walk a lot. You know.
Just like carry
it's like
one
you're
thing.
you're always coming back from having carried a box.
If you go to help somebody move and you don't actually want to move anything, if you just walk around the house constantly, they're like, that dude is everywhere.
he must have always just put something
Just
down.
put something down.
Yeah.
He's either going or coming from
About
somewhere.
to pick something up.
Yeah, yeah.
Just spray
put something-
Windex a few times.
That's a
and
good
then-
way to help people
Spray
move.
spray it on yourself, and you'll smell clean.
True.
It's like wow.
Rub some dirt on your face.
Yeah, you could add something. There's
Make
some
yourself
realism.
dirty. The
Yeah.
irony of that is not lost on me.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
All right. Alicia Marie Perkins asks, what's
getting-
the best way to clean your glasses?
Well, the great news is that mine are in desperate need of cleaning right
there's a-
now.
Yeah,
Green
there's-
thing
it's
hanging from-
hanging from the
Well,
right
the
side.
whole-
I wanted to
Look,
grab
from
it
the right,
earlier.
Look at the right side. It's just hanging
dangling.
in right there. Yeah.
Gosh.
So you're saying that the cleaning compound was not.
Those are dirty
Adequate.
as heck.
I think you used the Cheetos infused cleaning compound. Let's
Oh,
see.
that's so gross.
I think I like it.
You might like it. I think you might like it. This disinfects, but it doesn't actually.
I don't think it's going to get rid of the smudgies.
No, it's probably gonna add some. Oh yeah, it's
I feel
horrible.
like that
Oh my
might
God.
But they're
mess
really
it up.
clean though.
Not
I
good.
need this advice too because I don't really know how to clean my glasses.
Soap and water.
You're not wearing glasses.
I have night glasses. I have
Night, are you a superhero?
Night glasses.
yeah,
Jin's
I'm
alter
like
ego.
Clark Kent reverse.
Are you Catwoman?
Yeah, absolutely.
Catwoman didn't have bifocals.
And yes, one version that I'm into did.
Worse. That is worse.
What soap and water.
Soap and water.
Soap and water.
Soap and water. That's an
Okay.
easy one. I use dish
What
soap.
if you're like
and my-
in the middle of
and a paper
driving
towel.
and all of a sudden you accidentally go?
Car sink. You gotta use your car sink.
Right,
In
I'll
your
use that.
conversion van.
It's like an eye wash.
I only
for your
drive
car.
conversion vans because of the car sinks.
It sounds
I
like
won't
a
be caught
good
dead
idea.
in anything but a conversion.
Whoops.
Oh, you know what? There is a fart in a can that works the exact same way that my kids had.
Let's do it.
But just do the two fingers.
Okay.
Just.
Oh,
Oh, now we've hit the jackpot. Can I try?
this is a better
Let's
use.
just rotate it. One. Oh, you get two in a
Ew,
row.
there's a really gross hair.
What kind of hair is that? Does that come off your? Is that from your gorilla spot? One of your gorilla hairs. Look at that. Came off. Ew. Oh gosh, it's a lot longer than I anticipated. Oh.
This is so gross.
Okay.
It's better not to look at it. Just listen
Just
for
take
it.
it in.
I'm crying a little bit.
Oh man, this is the best.
Great.
It was so wonderful, Jen. You do it.
How do you make cleaning fun? Fart it up.
Ew, this is so
Yeah, yeah.
wet.
It's clean. It's clean. It's
Wet
really
farts.
clean.
Okay.
Oh,
That's decent.
That was just a
Silent
dry,
but
a dry
deadly.
you gotta
one.
do it. Do it fast, Jen. Oh, why is that so great? Oh, why are farts funny? Now, to some people, they're not.
They're not to me, right?
There's a whole group of people that don't think farts are funny.
Everyone in here.
I hope they don't watch this
crying.
show.
No one's laughing, and I'm sitting here sobbing.
But there's something about farts that are funny. I don't understand. Why?
I love farts.
That was like a seal being broken.
It's kind of the wrong consistency.
There we go.
Let me get a good one. Ask me another question.
Okay.
No, let's go to the key ring.
We'll go to
Let's
the key ring.
Okay. Just gonna...
You've got to read this whole thing? Or just the
Except
X?
for the bottom.
Oh, except for the X. Dear Runling, my name is Terry, and I'm writing to you from Tucson, Arizona. My fiance and I watch your show every day, and we just wanted to thank you and your team for always putting a smile on our face and for giving both of us something to look forward to after a long workday. I work at a dental office as a dental assistant here in AZ. I just have to say I loved your teeth episode a couple weeks back. Link referenced our favorite episode where he ate the edible ink and his teeth turned black. I don't think that I've ever laughed so hard in my life. Since I am in the dental profession, I would love to ask Link how long it took to get that stain off of his teeth. I'm sure that's not pretty. If you ever need any teeth whitening gel for future episodes, I'm your girl.
Person's got a problem.
You think our teeth aren't white enough? It actually didn't take that long because I brushed my teeth right afterward. Now you're getting it.
Hit the sweet spot.
Ew, that one had like an after fart.
Afterburn. I wanted to share a story with you guys about one of my patients. Gonna get a story about a patient.
This is not going to violate any HIPAA.
This elderly woman came in for an exam to look at a crown that had fallen off her tooth, and she wanted us to cement it back on. As soon as I examined this crown, I was amazed. Not only was it all gold, which is pretty common in the dental field, but the part of the tooth that was part of her smile was tooth colored.
What? Say that again, please.
I don't get it either.
The part of her what?
Not only was it all gold, which is pretty common, but the part of the tooth that was part of her smile was tooth colored. So like the part that faced forward was tooth colored, but still gold. After being in the dental field for over 8 years, I've never seen anything like this before. When she smiled, it looked like a regular tooth, but when you looked into her mouth, it was a gold crown. Now, due to an extensive amount of decay under the crown was not able to be re-cemented on, and she needed a new crown altogether. She did not want to keep this gold crown after we finished her new crown, so I put it aside and instantly thought of us. I thought this would be a perfect addition to your key ring, but don't worry, this tooth was boiled for safety, and our autoclave that kills all germs, we can put this stuff on it too.
Yeah.
We don't need to boil anything for safety anymore, guys. We can just do the hand farter.
Yeah, my fingers are so clean right now.
I would not have sent the crown if it was a biohazard at all. I have made some adjustments to the crown so that it was able to go on a key ring. Oh my goodness. Sincerely, Terry Willoughby. Here it is.
This is pretty amazing.
Here.
That, not this.
What I'm doing over here is pretty amazing. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This tooth came from an elderly woman.
Yeah.
And now it's
We have
ours.
human. We're gonna have human on this now. Great.
That's gold? It is gold.
Clean it a little
Wait,
bit.
where's the tooth colored part?
The front. Check it out. Check it that.
Just clean it.
Check
Just
it out.
Right there, that's
smile part.
human tooth colored, and then everything else is solid gold.
That's cool.
Just clean it a little bit. Okay. Look at that. Now we've got forensic evidence that that old woman committed a murder. We can tie her to anything.
Oh, I opened it. We're okay.
Look at that. That's pretty cool, guys. Continue to send us in things, keychains to go on our key ring, along with a letter that explains why it's so special.